Alright champs, let's get rid of Windows Home and let's get some Windows Pro. Copy and paste my code from the description, new codes, new discount. You can get Windows Professional, Office, paste my code. Boom, it's Windows Pro time. Righto, tellyo there champs. Now today I'm going to be having a look at something that is game changing for me, the Elgato Stream Deck, and this is probably one of the best sort of peripherals I've had in years. Like, it really does change the way you use your computer. I mean, if you're a streamer, it's just a no-brainer. You have to get this. I mean, it's just like a prerequisite. I mean, if you don't have one of these and you're a streamer, it's just going to be a clumsy experience. I mean, if you're just streaming one sort of screen, that's fine. But if you've got multiple camera angles and a be right back screen and graphics and all this sort of stuff, you need a Stream Deck. And every big streamer uses this, every single one of them. I don't have to sell this to you. If a streamer, you already know you have to buy one of these. Now, you can get a big one or a small one. I indeed have the big one here. Actually, Elgato sent this out to me, so thanks for sending this out. But I was actually going to buy one of these. That is no word of a lie. And not only that, I'm actually going to buy another one, because you can get a big one and a small one. I'm going to buy the small one. The small one I'm going to use for the Mac, and the big one I'm going to use for my PC for streaming, and not just that, for gaming as well. Now, a lot of people have covered this for streaming. There are loads of videos when it comes to streaming. I'm going to cover this for how I use it with my PC and how I use it with the Mac here too, because it's great for this. And this magic button here that I've programmed, this is game changing. This, it just makes everything so easy. And as I said, it's not just for streaming, it's for shortcuts, for applications. You can put multiple actions on one button. This is the here, multiple. That's mind blowing. This is absolutely awesome. Also, you know, keyboard shortcuts and stuff like that in applications, you know, there's an infinite amount of things you can actually do with this. So let's just have a look at the unit itself here. I have it in this position. Of course, you can put it down lower or higher if you want. So that's the lowest angle it goes. Of course, you can have it like this. You don't even have to have it in the cradle. You can have it down there like that if you want. You can actually take it out of the cradle, have it like that. That's a pretty cool way to have it. But I usually just have it like this, and there's the cradle here. You have different levels of angles there. With that, very simple thing to use. I just keep it on this angle here, and that works perfectly fine there. That works nice. You have 15 programmable buttons, and multiple actions can be done on one button. And as you see, they light up there. Obviously, I've just dragged and dropped some shortcuts, and this, I'll show you what this does later. That is phenomenal. Now let's go have a look at the software quickly, and it's not just for streaming. This is the Stream Deck software. This is in a Mac. It's Mac or PC, obviously. You know, control center, game capture, you know, set buttons up for recording stuff, for mixing, you know, to mute stuff, to create clip and, you know, talk to your viewers or whatever. OBS Studio, soundboard, Stream Deck. There's all these multiple action. That's the one I like. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Stream Decks, and there's actually third-party ones. This is what I do in here. I do open, so I can open multiple apps at once. I'll show you how I do that in a sec. You know, Twitch streaming, of course, Twitter. You know, the possibilities are endless. But what I do, what is great here, I'm just going to press this button and you watch what happens. Now, I have programmed Premiere, Photoshop, and Audition and Lightroom separately, because sometimes I just need a thumbnail, so I'll just press Photoshop. I only need Photoshop. I will use this for my PC, because what I do with my PC is I have one button, one action button, and when I press that, it opens Steam, it opens Discord, and it opens Afterburner. That is a huge time-saving thing for me, because it's just one button. It opens all the applications I'm going to use when I video edit. I use all of them. I use the Photoshop for thumbnails and to mess about with the photos that are in Premiere. I clean up the audio of Audition, and of course I video edit with Premiere Pro. So it's just boom, one button, I'm right into all those applications. That is amazing. And then I can separate the buttons too. So I don't, you know, if I just want to do the thumbnail, I'll just press that, just the one button there. It is so time saving, it is so game changing. Now I'll just show you how I've done this, and you can do this on your PC, Mac, whatever. I've made this button here, it's called Video Edit. One button does the 3 actions there, and you can load up like infinite amount of bloody actions there. So anyway, let's have a look how I done it here. I just gone in here, just go to the system preference there, and I just go open, 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 open. I drag this across 3 times, And then I just set this for Premiere, one for Audition, one for Photoshop, save that out. And yeah, now I just call it Video Edit. And now I just press that button and boom, again. It's just going to load those 3 things straight away. Straight away, baby. That's the way we roll now. And yeah, I'm definitely buying one for my Mac, and I'm definitely buying one for my PC. And even with your laptops, when you dock them, it's just going to save you so much time having this. I love when I game, I just press that one button, Steam, OBS, boom, I'm ready to go straight away. I don't have to open all these apps individually. And yeah, a great product. And yeah, it's not very expensive either. And for considering the utility you get out of it, and it's well worth it, even if you're not even streaming, Mac or PC. Awesome device, and I'm definitely buying the small one for the Mac. And thankfully they sent me out the big one that I can use for my PC. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.